beautiful Honda Monkey Z from the new 2020 collection of Hot Wheels. Hello guys, a couple of weeks ago I show you my part of collection of Hot Wheels AKs from 2020, from the next year, it's 2019 today, it's from 2020, and for example, this is, as you can see, this is treasure hunt for 2020. One of the beautifulest. We already have unpacked this on the stream. I very love this one on the Monkey Z. Long time ago it was a treasure hunt, was a super treasure hunt with real riders. But this is a simple version, not a treasure hunt version. It's for 2020 collection from the AKs. So beautiful motorbike from Honda, was made by Hot Wheels. It's not light, it's heavy. It's heavy motorbike. You can see a Honda Monkey logo here. Beautiful metal motor section. Very wide wheels made of plastic seat and plastic this. Back side made of metal. It's very funny when you stand it on the table, for example. It's a small. It's even much smaller than this car. Near it, it's even smaller than Ford Escort, for example. And now you will see how long cars from Hot Wheels look like. It's a long car, it's a big car. And now you can see how this bike is small. It's high, it's very high near the car. It's looking near this car, it's looking very funny, very cartoon-like maybe. But this bike is small by its size, but it's very high. I very love this Honda. I very love motorbikes that was made by Hot Wheels, and this Honda is not exclusion. I very love this beautiful big wide wheels with chrome inside and black spins inside. It's looking awesome. It really looks great. Very good motorbike from 2020. But I think many of you have this version in Treasure Hunt edition.